Yellow flex pipe, also known as corrugated stainless steel tubing, or CSST, offers several benefits for specific gas appliance installations. Firstly, flexibility is a key advantage. CSST's flexible nature allows for easy maneuvering around obstructions and in tight spaces, simplifying the installation process. Secondly, durability is another important factor. CSST is resistant to corrosion, rust, and punctures, which ensures a long lifespan and leak-free performance. Thirdly, cost-effectiveness makes CSST an attractive option. Compared to materials like copper or polyvinyl chloride, CSST is relatively inexpensive. However, CSST is not suitable for all gas appliances. Temperature restrictions limit its use. CSST is typically rated for a maximum temperature of 180 degrees Fahrenheit, making it unsuitable for high-temperature applications like gas cooktops, ovens, and space heaters. Gas appliances like cooktops, ovens, and heaters necessitate a rigid connection to the gas line to prevent leaks and ensure safe operation. The flexible nature of yellow flex pipe makes it inappropriate for these appliances. Building codes often prohibit the use of yellow flex pipe for gas appliances due to these safety concerns. For gas cooktops, ovens, and heaters, alternative piping materials are preferred. One such material is rigid copper tubing. Copper is known for its durability and corrosion resistance, and it can withstand high temperatures, making it a suitable choice for these appliances. Black iron pipe is another option. It's a heavy-duty material that is also resistant to corrosion and heat, providing a robust and reliable gas connection. For appliances that require occasional movement, such as gas grills, a flexible gas connector can be used. However, these connectors should be regularly inspected for leaks and replaced if any damage is detected. It is crucial to adhere to local building codes and manufacturers' instructions when installing gas piping. These codes and instructions are in place to ensure the safety and proper operation of gas appliances. Incorrect installation can lead to gas leaks, fires, or explosions. The choice of piping material should be based on the specific requirements of the appliance, temperature considerations, and local regulations. While yellow flex pipe offers advantages in certain applications, it's not a universal solution for all gas connections. Understanding its limitations and using appropriate alternative materials for high-temperature appliances is essential for safety and code compliance. Proper installation techniques are also vital. When working with gas piping, it's important to use appropriate tools and techniques to ensure a secure and leak-free connection. This may involve using pipe thread sealant, tightening fittings to the correct torque, and pressure testing the system after installation. Regular maintenance of gas piping is also recommended. This includes inspecting for corrosion, leaks, and damage, and promptly addressing any issues that are found. By following these guidelines, the safety and efficiency of gas appliance installations can be ensured. Furthermore, gas detection devices can provide an additional layer of safety. These devices can detect gas leaks and alert occupants, allowing for prompt action to prevent accidents. It's also important to educate homeowners about gas safety. This includes informing them about the signs of a gas leak, such as a sulfur-like odor, and what to do if they suspect a leak. They should also be instructed on how to properly operate gas appliances and how to maintain them. In summary, the decision to use yellow flex pipe depends on the specific application and adherence to safety regulations. Understanding its advantages and limitations is crucial for ensuring safe and effective gas appliance installations. Alternative materials like copper and black iron pipe offer suitable solutions for high-temperature appliances. Always consult local building codes and manufacturers' instructions for proper installation practices.